हेलो एंड वेलकम अगेन। ज़्यादा लाइट मैंने जलाया नहीं, मेन लाइट एक्चुअली सिर्फ ISO बढ़ा दिया है कैमरा का, तो ऑब्वियसली क्वालिटी थोड़ा घटिया लग सकता है। सॉरी अबाउट दैट, बट दैट्स नॉट द मेन फोकस। Welcome again. This is day 150 of my 365 days streaming challenge, and like we have already discussed, if I'll do another stream today after 1 hour, I'll count that as another day, as planned. So the next stream would be about the game, the Hollow Knight that we will be playing, and it would be counted as day 151. If you are new, then let me just tell you quickly. I'm doing this because I can only stream for like 90 days, a year max, because of the weather condition, and I don't have like a conditioned room and stuff. So yeah, it's not possible for me to stream for the rest of the season. It becomes too hot here, and streaming kind of becomes impossible. Even the PC gets too hot. So yeah, I cannot do that, and that's why I have chosen to go this route. And I will probably not talk about the challenge anymore all the time, or maybe I will, I don't really know. In fact, I was not supposed to talk about it now as well. So yeah, I may not talk about it, but I will complete the challenge, as I have already reiterated multiple times since the beginning. I must complete this challenge no matter what. So I will. I will only not talk about it quite as often, because I want to focus on different topics on different days. I want to do different things on different days, and that is why I will not talk about the challenge quite as often, or maybe not even in a single video for the foreseeable future. I don't know. Maybe I'll only talk about it once I complete the challenge. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, I won't be talking about it regularly, I think. And yeah, that is the thing. Like, for example, for the next stream will be a gaming stream, and I might not talk about it at all, the streaming challenge. I'll simply talk about the game and then start gaming. So yeah, that is something I wanted to clarify again, just in case. And I hope I did. So yeah, like the title says, we are going to learn Affinity. I was using Affinity Photo, if you remember, obviously, but now I want to switch to Affinity, which is their new software. Plus it's free, so everyone else can join me too, and that's the bigger advantage, I guess, because when I was using Affinity Photo for the tutorials, people were asking me to do it with some free version of the software. So yeah, this would definitely help in that regard. Now I'm using this PC after a long time for streaming, so I don't remember all the codes and stuff, but let's see if the window is enabled. Okay, yes, it is enabled, but the thing is, you are not seeing any photos. So this is the actual window that I've opened right now. So this is the thumbnail that we were using, and this is the Affinity Photo software, obviously the older one, Affinity 2.5 this is. And now they have changed the software to Affinity, which I have also downloaded, and it's free, by the way. Anyone can download and start with it, so feel free to do so if you want. Let me just change this logo first, and I'll update this thumbnail. Basically, let's do something with this thumbnail first, because this is the live stream about thumbnail making, so why not? And then after doing this one, after completing this one, we'll move forward. And give me a moment, I'm doing something over here. So once the thumbnail making, what I'm saying, let me gather my thoughts. Okay, I'm doing multiple things, and that's why I'm confused. Okay, So yeah, let's start with this thumbnail is what I'm trying to say. Let's modify this and change the thumbnail on this stream that you are watching right now, and then we'll move forward from there. I think I'll start with, okay, give me a moment. I need to change the scene, some stuff here, chat stuff. I haven't enabled the chat on my stream yet. I'll do that quickly and then we can continue from there. Okay, this is done. Stream about chat. Okay, now we're ready. Yeah, chat is enabled. So yeah, let's move ahead, I guess. Let's make changes to this thumbnail. I'm kind of afraid that I'll make some mistakes because I'm using it like after a very long time. But I guess let's do it and then see what happens. I need the new logo first of all. I get afraid a lot about sharing like non-disclosure things. That's why I switched back to the just chatting scene for a moment. I'm going to download the Affinity logo. Affinity. Logo. Not getting any new logos here. Maybe let's go to their website directly. I'm not sure if I should call it Affinity or Affinity Studio. It's definitely named Affinity. But their website is affinity.studio. Fresh. They haven't provided the logos and stuff officially, I think. I don't want to use their big logo that I'm seeing right now. I want the app logo. Maybe I need to do a Google search or something and then find the image from somewhere else. Okay, I found one. It's a JPEG though, for some reason. Give me a moment, guys. I'm feeling warm already. I need fans. Affinity. Yeah, Wikimedia has one. Okay, finally I found them. We need the SVG. Okay. I don't know if it will be supported or not. I'm trying the SVG file first. If it will not support it, then I'll get the PNG or something like that. Or I'll simply convert it. Okay, it did support it, but why it's looking like this? Not sure about that. I only want to change the logo here, and then we'll probably change the text. Maybe it will look better after rendering or exporting the image. Affinity. Okay, this is their logo actually. Yeah. Affinity photo. Affinity Studio. We can simply change it to Affinity Studio, I guess. I can mask this or erase. I'm not sure what to do here. Let's try something like that. I don't even remember. What's the button used to control plus maybe? No. Forgot the shortcut for the button size as well. Brush size. Not here. Affinity logo. We'll create something new maybe in the Affinity software. Let's just experiment with it for now, and then we'll do that later. I haven't learned the software, I'm just doing it. Like, I have some ideas obviously of how this tools like this work, and that's the only thing I know. So every time I do anything, I'm doing it for the first time in most of the situations. And some, obviously there are similarities with Photoshop, which also helps because I have used Photoshop as a child in 2007. I think I also want to remove the logo because of the font size. Let's go back. E. What? What is this? This is new. What if I simply increase the size? I can't for some reason. Okay, it's locked. It's not looking good, obviously. But let's move ahead, I guess. We need to learn the new software. No point in trying to get better at on this one. But I wanted all of them to move. Not sure if it's possible, but I would like to try. How about grouping them? Yeah, it's worse. I think I should create a new one. Learn from beginning, I guess. I don't remember anything. I can simply add text. The other thing that I can do is simply remove this logo completely, and that will work. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Let's duplicate this layer. Right, Control D, didn't work. Maybe it doesn't work like that. Got some chat or something. Let me see once. Okay, bot comment. We'll look at the official logo once. Maybe we should use that logo, word mark, instead. Save as Affinity word mark. Yeah, I think we should use this. Where did it go? Okay, found it. Black won't work. Let's delete this. Let's keep the studio for now. And I want to change the color for this. It's an SVG, so I don't know. I think we can do something. Adjustment maybe, and recolor. It's happening to everything. Finally working. Also need to reduce the mouse sensitivity to work properly. It's not going to be there. I'm just adjusting to see the positionings. Where did it go? Next layer, live layer. Maybe somewhere around here. Unity Studio. Don't like it. I'm very bad at this. I change my sensitivity of the mouse to be able to do it properly. I don't like the word studio here, but without it, it looks incomplete. Okay, I'll create something from ground up, I guess. I'm not getting the hang of it. I'm not sure how to deal with it. Let's go back to... I definitely need tutorials because I haven't watched any. Let me explore this. I'll switch back to the chatting scene for a moment. Learning Affinity photo. Let's change this to Learning Affinity. I'll create a different thumbnail using Affinity and then we'll use that one from the next time, okay? For now, let's just save it. Learning Affinity. I'm not saving this to the document file because I didn't like it. But I'll update the thumbnail anyway over here. So that we will be forced to work on it next. Okay, I changed the thumbnail. Let me confirm it. .com. Streamed 18 hours ago. Okay, it's looking good enough. Okay, actually it's looking better than I thought. I guess I should show you guys. I'll show you guys this in our website that focuses example. What is this? The Affinity icon. I'm not sure. Okay. Browser scene is fine. I'm not sure why you guys are looking at. Oh, okay, I remembered. I've opened Microsoft Edge browser as well. I was downloading the logo. I have two browsers open right now. That's why. So this is how it's looking right now. I think it's good enough. Only the large size image wasn't looking good enough. I think we may not need to do a lot. I should have saved the project file. I didn't. Maybe we'll create something like this. We'll try to replicate this in the new Affinity software maybe. The problem is I don't remember anything that I did to create this thumbnail. Now it will be like learning again to create the next thumbnail. And the next thumbnail that I will be creating is Hollow Knight, the game. And I'll be creating the thumbnail for my other YouTube channel. I'll show you guys. Username. I don't even remember my username. Okay, I remembered. BM Live. So yeah, these are some of the live streams that we did. And next would be Hollow Knight. I wanted to keep another one with me as well, like something that I would be able to finish easily. But the thing is, I don't have enough storage on my PC, so I have to like do this. That's one of the game that doesn't take a lot of storage, and that is why I chose Hollow Knight. And also because I actually liked it when I tested it a long time ago. So I'll first of all download some Hollow Knight game assets, like images and stuff. Then I'll move on from there. Media assets. Okay, we have the bugs and stuff, but that's not what I'm looking for. Hollow Knight background, let's see. Let's see their official page first, I guess. Okay, I do have a lot of images here. Hollow Knight logo. I need to download the Hollow Knight logo, and then from there I haven't downloaded PNG player. Hollow Knight SVG logo download. I found a text logo, but it's what a thumbnail. New folder. Let's name it Hollow Knight. I'll download as many images as possible, and then from there we'll work on it. Okay, give me some time. Size large. The wallpaper websites have those, the images that I would need. New image. Save image as. काम कर रहा है, बोल। वहां पे रख हमारा एक चिन्ह, 2 मिनट। कहीं जाना है कि? वो बैंक का वो कैसे क्लोज कर लेगा ना, तो ऑनलाइन में बंद होने वाला है अकाउंट। केवाईसी वो तो हम नहीं करता है, तो ठीक है। वहां पे बैठ के देख क्रिकेट वगैरह, 5 मिनट दे। Downloaded Hollow Knight background. I have to like complete some of the work for someone, and then I'll continue. I will download 1 or 2 images again, and then I'll do work for that person that just Hollow Knight background 2. Game assets. Looking for the main character image. I found a lot of different images, but not the main character one, which is weird. I'm looking for SVG for the character, that is. Then I need to use the Google search. I don't use Google, by the way. Images, google.com. Okay, I do get better image suggestions here. Press kit. I also found press kit easily. It's not as useful as I thought. And these are JPEG images for some reason. No idea why. Okay, I think I found somewhere. Okay, these are videos actually, so not so useful. Downloaded few images. Okay, visit the press kit. They have it in the official website as well. Okay, finally found the press kit. I'll do it after doing the work for the person that just talked to me. So I did found it. As you can see, I have everything now. So yeah, I'll take a moment, a break for like 5 minutes maybe, and then I'll be back. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, thank you for staying with me. Let's continue, I guess. So next I'll download all the assets that they have provided. I think downloading everything will be stupid because it will take a lot of storage and I don't really need everything. So I guess let me look at them and just decide what I need and what I don't need. We have music cover. We have a PDF with informations. I need the logo. So let's download this one. Hollow Knight God Master. क्यों? तुम्हारा काम नहीं कर रहा है सर? देखो बोलना नहीं होने सर. I downloaded the Gold Master logo and it's about 26.9 MB for some reason. I don't know. That's not the game I have, I think. I have the other one. I have to recheck this. I don't even remember. I think I have the original one. Not any DLC or the second part or anything like that. चाहिए तो मैं UPI आईडी दे देता हूँ. उससे भी होगा. सर्विस पेमेंट उसके बाद आपको भेज भी सकता है तो जेरॉक्स करके रख के भी अकाउंट में डाल देता हूँ. रुको स्कैन करना ठीक है. स्कैन करने से दिखता है. तुम्हारा नहीं चल रहा है तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. मतलब मेरा तो सर्वर डाउन चल रहा है इतना तो हमको पूरा बैंक वाला फोन किया था ना, लेकिन हम उसको बोला इमीडिएटली लिंक करने बोला. 3 दिन का, 3 दिन भी नहीं या कभी भी बंद हो सकता बोला मुझको. तुम्हारा आई थिंक केवाईसी नहीं हुआ है ना, बिना केवाईसी के थोड़ी काम करेगा. केवाईसी टाइम है बोला इमीडिएटली. अच्छा इमीडिएटली हमको ये करना बोला. हेला तो ये इसके में हाँ काम नहीं कर रहे. तुम्हारा बैंक काम नहीं कर रहा. केस केस देख क्या बंद हो गया. Okay, let's continue. I am now downloading some background images. I haven't decided which one to use yet, and I think it's better to keep all of them in the armory, aka local drive right now for quick retrieval of them. I got some square images, but I'm not sure if I will need them. Let's keep them anyway. I think the things that I'm doing right now are safe to display, so let me display them. So yeah, I'm just downloading the images. I don't think I'll need all of them. Let's keep this as well, just in case. I'll probably use only one of them, but I have downloaded all of them. Okay, I think I've downloaded everything. Okay, Team Cherry logo is there after this one. We don't need the Team Cherry logo. I'm only making the game thumbnail. So yeah, I've downloaded everything from here. We also have animated GIF, but they are of no use to me at the moment. Character promo. Let's see what they are. Okay, this is what I was looking for. I think these are for Silk Song, right? They are not for the game that I will be playing. This is the one. Okay, these are the things I was looking for actually. I could simply use my AI tools to create the background for the game. But I wanted the character to be exact. This is too small, but let's keep it just in case. These are PNG by the way, that's why I said it's too small. Should have been SVG or something like that. EPS maybe. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. I don't think I will be able to continue without eating. Character sprites. Did I open the same folder again? I don't think so. Charm sprites. I think sprites is something in the game. Dream Troop. No idea. Let's see. These are big promo images. They're nice, but I don't need them. Screenshots and trailers. Don't need trailers. Maybe screenshots. Okay, so I don't have to like create AI generated backgrounds. I guess we can use them. Too many choices for me and I can't help myself but download all of them. This is not good. Let's download this one. I'm downloading this one mostly because it says 21 over here, so basically it will show that I'm just starting. Although I can simply hide them. Let's download this one as well. It will create a different aesthetic because of the colors. I think I've downloaded already. Enough already. Honestly speaking, I want to download all of them. Maybe I'll switch between them in different stages of the game, right? Let's download all of them, even though I have already downloaded some of them. Give me a moment. I'll switch back after downloading. Stream situation looks good. Just checked. My internet is not very trustworthy, so I keep checking on them time to time. This is one of the reasons I don't want to stream on this channel a lot, but to complete the challenge I have to. For example, I don't get a lot of viewers here, especially when I work. If I was playing game, I would get a lot of viewers, plus the gaming channel always gets viewers. So yeah, this is something that I've been considering before as well. If I care about viewers, then I should simply stream games on the gaming channel. Just extracted all the images that I downloaded, and I think we are ready to create the thumbnail. I need to eat though. What to do? Should I pause the stream, go eat, then come back and complete the stream by creating the thumbnail, or should I do it at a different time? Kind of struggling, yeah. Since I've already downloaded all the files that I would need, let me close the browser and launch Affinity app. So this is their new app that we will be using to create the thumbnail. And full HD size should be enough, but they have new standard, I think, now. I used to create full HD thumbnails anyway when they were recommending 720p resolution actually. But since we are moving towards bigger screens nowadays and 4K video at least, so it makes sense to do the same with thumbnail as well. I want to look at the official recommendations if available. YouTube thumbnail requirements. They're still saying 720p in most pages for some reason. Custom thumbnail limit. It's weird. Although I always created thumbnails of 1080p resolution. Yeah, I think they still recommend 720p. Give me a moment where I'll go to my YouTube channel and see if there's anything different in the thumbnail upload section. I'll click on learn more. It's the same page, so I don't think there's any change. Yep, no change. Anyway, we'll stick with 1080p, I guess. With the screen share, you guys see this, but I also want to test the window share option that will allow me to carefully show things to you guys. This is 1080p canvas, but let's try the window method of sharing the screen, and I want to see if this will work or not. Win alert, scan. Shared window. रुक दे। हाँ ठीक है। Okay, so same thing is happening over here as well. Like I showed you guys, there is white screen which would be the image, and you guys don't see it when I share the window. Sharing window makes things easier for me to stream and control things, and that's why I was trying to do it that way, but it's fine, I guess. So we are in the pixel mode, which would be the equivalent for Affinity photo. And next, let's get some images. These are the images that I've downloaded. Let's look at them. This would be the character image I will definitely use. I think we'll use this one, a little bit active one. This is too small to use, I think. We can definitely use one of these images as background. I might still need to create something with AI. I don't know, because I wanted a background of the game but with no character at all. Or maybe we can use this one. This might work because we have the black left side, completely black left side, which we can use to insert our photo. Because let's say I want to use this, okay, for example, then this character is too small for this image, and if I want to use the character image separately, then there will be two character, and I can obviously remove with healing tool, but then it becomes the same thing. Let's now delete these. This is also nice. I'm mostly looking at the colors and aesthetic of it, not necessarily how good the images are. I think let's start with this one, maybe blue cave, or this looks blank almost. Or maybe start with the one that is already primed for thumbnail. This one. It feels like it was created to make thumbnails with it. Alright, we can add logo on top of this, obviously, and our face cutout. Let me get the cutout. I only have these cutouts that I use. One of them does not have any green tint. I'm looking for that one. I have removed the green tint from the image. This is the one, I think. Yeah. Problem is, I never use images on this site. I mean cutout. Alignment, trigonometry transform, flip, horizontal. Doesn't look good. You can use it, but doesn't look good. How about flipping this one? Not bad. Okay, I think we'll flip that one if needed. Even after flipping it, still makes sense to add it towards the right side for some reason. But I'm creating thumbnail for the first time over here, and I have no idea what I'm doing. I want to create strokes, shadows, or something like that over here. I need to highlight it basically. Let's start with the basics, I guess. Let's just create the layout first, and then we'll proceed from there. The next thing that I would want here will be the logo, and this is the logo. It definitely feels a little bit smoother than the Affinity 2.5, to be honest. Affinity Photo. Looking good enough, in my opinion. I will darken this portion later on to make it look better. We'll also obviously try different variations of the thumbnail. Like for example, let's do one thing for now. Let's say, for example, if you want to use this as the background, yeah, so we can test things like this maybe. For now, let's just disable it. Okay, I think this looks much better, to be honest. And I can add the character manually. A bigger one, perhaps. Or we can like simply do this as well. Because it's too small and unnoticeable. We can hide that, obviously. It looks better with the small version of him as well. I can simply remove this completely with the erase tool and then create a bigger one over here. Something like this. I'm going through ideation process right now. It's not what I'm thinking for the finale. Or I am thinking about it, but we haven't decided yet what would be the final result. Mosquito. And if we'll use this one, then I'll darken this portion to highlight the Hollow Knight logo. Next, do we have anything? Okay, let's work on this portion over here. Layer effects, outline mode normal, radius. Contour, what's contour? It won't look good, I think. I do it outside. There are tools like they somehow make it look better. I don't know. There might be some tricks to do it over here as well. Basically, they kind of hide all these imperfections somehow with rounded edges and stuff. I don't know if we can do that over here yet. Outside, center. Okay, maybe this is what I'm looking for. Or inside. This looks funny. Center, maybe. Nope. Okay, I don't have the same tool, so yeah, I think. This looks decent enough, but let's disable it for a moment and try something else. We'll probably use shadow and outer glow. Again, I don't remember using these, but I think I have used them before. Yep, I think I used this. If looks good. Let's go for 30. It's not finalized. We are just looking at options. Outer shadow. For outer shadow, let's pick a color. Thing like this, maybe. What's happening? It's not going. I'm stuck with this. I think it's a bug or something. Okay, I'm dealing with some bug over here. I cannot hide it. The color picker is stuck. I'll probably need to restart now. And I can't even close it by saving the project. I have to force close the app. Okay, maybe now. Oh, boy. What? Okay, I have to kill the program now. And I almost closed everything. Almost pressed Alt F4. Okay, let me fix this by closing the app completely. Okay, I think it still didn't work. But I can go through the task manager, thankfully, and I will be able to end the app. That was a terrible bug that we found. Hopefully there will be some autosave and stuff. Okay, thankfully there is autosave feature. Got it back. We were doing something, yeah. Clear effect, transform, filters, adjustment layer. Let's try these first. Now, I have no idea how to use them. I'm being honest over here. The levels and stuff. Right level. I don't know if I did anything with this. Okay, I did. Is the notification visible on the screen? Yeah. This is why I don't want to use desktop screen mode. I don't have any choice. But it's working on all the images. I only want it in this image. Will that be possible? Yep. I also want to learn retouching and stuff to make the images pop. I don't know how to do them yet. Brightness and contrast, exposure. I know people use dodge and burn to do things like that. I want to make the image softer. I don't know how to do that. Okay, it did improve it a little bit. Do we have saturation? Gamma, I'm not sure. Gamma is, I think it will work like saturation. Yeah. Let's not overdo it. I think it's good enough. Now I want to do, I think maybe we can use brush tool and then brush over here to create the new pixel layer. Let's do it. And we will bring it over here. Let's close this to avoid confusion. This is the brush. The reason I'm choosing bigger brush is because I will be going softer with the flow. Let's say 25%. Hardness 25% maybe. I don't know, I'm doing it for the first time. Okay, I can increase the hardness 50 maybe. This is flow. Okay, maybe this is enough. Let's see. Okay, I think it's too much. Low 10%. Yeah. And let's do this 30. That's good, but I think I should have used bigger brush. Let's go for 350. I want to create the feel of a natural gradient. I don't know if I'm doing it right or not. Perhaps I should have used gradient itself. Gradient tool, that is. This works too, although. I think I'm getting what I needed. 5 pixel. Okay, we were not using outline. I think we were using outer glow. Yeah. That's 25 pixel. It's fine. And we also wanted outer shadow. This is where things went wrong. I don't know how to use this color picker. Still don't know. What was I doing? Okay, I was doing this. Okay, maybe this. I don't think this will work properly, but just to see. I think it's getting blocked by this. Or maybe not. Let's try 35. Offset is not required. Intensity is 75 maybe. Okay, so this blend mode completely hides it. Screen shows it. It's not going to be useful, let's be honest. Yeah, so I'll simply remove this and close it. The horizontal chat is looking awful right now.